Assalamualaikum, students, fellows. Hope you fine. Yes. Today we discuss about a present perfect continuous tense. So highlighting the use of since or for. And here is question: how we judgment for use of since or a use of for in the present perfect tense sentences. So let's start with the highlighting the main point of time points or a time periods. So time points to show for since time point. Okay, here is time point. You know what's a time point? Yes. Just like 8 o'clock, it shows to 8 o'clock, show two time points, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, okay, or a 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, or a clock time, okay. So it's a time to time point and lunch time. You know, lunch time is a fixed time that's represent to a fixed period, fixed point time. So we use to since for a lunch time. And the next, April. Yes, April. It's not mean only we use to April. We use to since for month's name. It's also can be June, July, August, Feb, any other month name. Okay, and the next 1930 time point. It can be 2001. Okay. Yes. Any other centuries or time? And the next we use to since for. Yes. And here I discuss April, May, and here is useful May, 28 May. We use since for month's name. Okay. And the next, Christmas. You know, to every year's Christmas, all Christian community celebrated Christmas at a fixed time, 25 December. You know. So we used to since Christmas. So the next Idul Fitr or Idul Adha, but mentioned time, you know, Islamic time period is changing time to time. The time period of a moon. Yes, we can use to since Idul Fitr or Idul Adha. And the next, the use of for. Here is how we judgment for a time period for, and how can we use for times. Yes, 2 hours or a week, and here is 2 hours. Not mentioned to all hours, evening hours, morning hours, or a lunchtime hours, not to mention. So we use to only for with the hours. Okay. And the next we use to for a week. Yes. And here is I'm not to mention to we. A week, you know, I not to mention here using for a since the day's name, just like Wednesday. Wednesday or a Saturday. Okay, here is we use to since for a day's name. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Saturday to Friday we can use only since, and here is not mentioned to the day of week, so we use to only for a week. Just like he has been working for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks he has been working for 3 weeks. So you understand? Yes. Next, and the next, a long time. A long time, and not to mention here which a long time periods, or just like to 1938 or a 2001. Yes, so we use to only for. Okay, and the next 30 minutes, 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, and here is not to mention two time points, just like 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock and 5 o'clock, anyhow. So we use to only for, because here is not mentioned to time point, here is only minutes, so we use to use for. And the next 10 days we use to. How can we use to for our days? 10 days, not to use 2 days name. 10 days not represent to our day's name or our time point. And the next 20 years. 20 years we use to for our 20 years, because to 20 years to not mention to time. So 20 years, that's just like 2001, 2020 and 1938. Okay, just like. And next years we use only 2 years. It is not to mention two time points, just like to 2011, 2012, 1906, any other mentions time. Okay, and here is ages. Ages we use two ages for. Okay, I think you understand in a better way. If you any problem to understanding to a difference between since or for, so please sharing me in our comments. So thank you so much, and I give you some example for a use of a since or a for. So let's start to. Salma has been teaching English for 10 years. Okay, and the next. And they have been living here or live in this house. They have been living here for to for. So mention time points since. What difference between for to? Since 1982. Yes, they have been living here or are living in this house since 1982. The students have not been studying for 5 years. And he has been absent since Friday. Okay, he has been absenting since Friday. Okay, so thank you so much. See you next. तो लौड़ा ये हुई नहीं, हाँ बननी है, क्या हुआ है?